Powerful tool for preparing reporting for every site is the state file. When properly used, every IPA can be configured to be the same through the state file so that testing is consistent, naming conventions are consistent, and reports and communication with your customer will be improved. A state file can be accessed from the settings menu and states. We have the ability to open states. In this case, a state file has not been created in this directory. We've got training state files in the SD card. The state that we're going to save represents the actions that will be required to repeat. This might be a series of test power levels, test frequencies, or a series of different tags that might be used for a specific vendor, a specific frequency, or a specific market. In this particular case, we've set up the IPA to prepare to test for operator A. To name the file in a way that's useful, we might put operator A as part of the file name, followed by the market. In this case, we're going to use Colorado. We might additionally say this is for a 1900 IPA so that the site or the state file is used on the appropriate equipment. And then we might say it's for LTE testing. This state file should be set up such that a new employee could look through a list of saved state files and make the correct selection of the state file to be used. Once the name is created, we'll save the file and it'll show up in our list when we go check for opening state files. So here we have it available. To determine if the state file has taken, what we'll do is we'll go back, look at something that we know we've created, in this case the tags. We see a set of tags that were created for this state file. We are okay with the fact that they exist. We go back into the settings and we reset to defaults. By resetting to the default state that comes from the factory, all of the tags will be erased. At that point, we verify that by going back into the tags and seeing that it's empty. We then go back into settings and states and we open the state file we saved previously. In this case, operator A, Colorado, market 1900. We can open that, and now when we go back to the tags, all the tags have been recovered. This allows us to again be consistent, add new equipment, to add new operators, to add specific targeted states for testing PIM for each of your customers. One final note is when we do go into an open state, it's going to look on the SD card in this particular case, but you could upload the state file from the controlling device. In a situation like that, by selecting the upload option, it will open Windows Explorer on the controlling device, allowing you to go through and determine if the state files are there. Again, the state files are powerful. They can be used to configure your test equipment consistently and allow you to provide data to your customer in a consistent manner.